Taking it is a small scenario. Even you can do this lab with taking only 2 router also, but I am using here 4, so it will be, because already we done lot of lab with 2 router. So now we can take more router, and here I can give our wish whatever IP schema we want to give. As we are giving 192.168, so we will use the same thing, 192.168 1.1 for R1, and for R2 we can say 192.168.1.2. for R3 we can say 192.168.1.3, and here 4 we can say 192.168.1.4. and here router name I can modify. Here I will give here R1, this will be R2, this will be R3, and this will be R4. You can give anything whatever you like, but just I am giving so easy for us to understand the lab while checking the output. Let's do the configuration. We can do in the notepad, and it will be simple. Just write for one router, and then we can copy paste and modify as per our requirement. So I will write here R1 configuration. Here we will write enable config t host name R1. Then interface, I am doing the R1, so we have fast Ethernet 0x0. I will write here whatever IP we have, IP address, what IP we are using, 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0, and we will write no shut here. And now I will write router OSPF1. Interface, I am using the interface method as already we done, so that's why I am doing fast. IP OSPF1 area 0. You have any confusion here? Nothing, right? Or any doubts here what I done here? This is simple, just what I am doing, assigning the IP address and enabling the OSPF. Any doubts, anything till now what we done here? Yeah, this is just broadcast network. For broadcast network, to verify the output, we are doing this lab. So for the R2 I will take like this, and we can just modify, and we can put in R2 also the output, and same interface we are using F0x0 all the place, so no need to change. Here also remains same, and we are using the same process ID, so we can use this one, and same area we are using, so no need to change anything. Just I will copy from here, I will put in the R1, and we can check if any error we have anything. After that we can just copy paste the configuration. So everything is good here, no error, nothing. So now what we can do, we can just copy paste for the other router. So R2 configuration is already ready. We can go to R2 and we can do the configuration here. Yeah, this one is also good. Let's go for the R3. I will divide this notepad, and then I will put here R3, and we will do the R3 configuration here. So just changing this IP, remaining is same. So I will go here in the R3, and then we will paste here. Okay, and then we have last one, that is R4. So let me do that for R4 also. We can change, this should be 4, and here is 4, and this IP should be 4. That's all. So I will copy this whole thing, and we can paste in the R4. So I will go to the R4, and then just we will paste here the configuration, and we will check the output. So just configuration, only 5 minutes we can do the configuration, because already we know how to configure from long time. We are doing this configuration. So no need to worry about this. This is a basic simple thing we done lot of time. And now we need to wait for some time till we have the neighborship. If you see here, this port is STP is working here, so we need to wait for some time. Or if you don't want to wait, here fast forward you can press in the packet tracer, but in the real scenario we need to wait for some time. After that we can go to any router and we can type the command to verify the output. We can write show IP OSPF neighbor, or the command which we use like show interface. First of all we need to verify like the interface which we are checking. Example, this interface fast Ethernet 0x0, this interface is working for which network, broadcast or not non-broadcast, or which type of network we are using, we need to check. So how we will check? We will write show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 0x0. Okay, this command I am writing show IP OSPF interface, this interface I want to check. So when I press enter, if you see here what I am getting here, this one, if you see network type is broadcast. So I did not do any special configuration, normal configuration whatever we are doing. When we do that normal configuration with the Ethernet cable, we are getting the network type is broadcast. And if you see here, we are getting the DR, this is a DR and this is a BDR. And this is a timer, hello timer, 10 second, 40 second, what we are saying. So whatever theory we discussed, that is proof here. Or if you want, we can check in other router also. Same thing you will have in all the router. Show IP OSPF, show IP OSPF interface fast Ethernet 0x0. If you see here also, same thing we will get. Network type is broadcast here. Network type is broadcast, and the router you have the DR and you have BDR, and the hello timer is same. So you have the urgency also. If you want show IP OSPF neighbor, you have the neighbor also. So what we can say, neighborship is forming, and we have the DR and BDR, and hello timer, dead timer is, as we have standard timer that we are getting, that is hello time is 10 second, dead timer is 40 second, and this is the network type. So this first thing we verify and successfully done. After that, what we told if we are using the serial cable, we will have the